Hi, this is Shankar. I am teaching mathematics. In this part, I am going to discuss a little topic, palindromic number. Palindromic number means any given number we have to write reverse order. We have to write reverse order. Then it is called as a palindromic number. Suppose one number is there. For example, 111. This number, right? This is a left side. This is the right side. This is the left side, this is the right side. Suppose left to right I am going to write, this is 111. I am going to write right to left, means reverse order, this. We are going to write here 111. Same, here reverse of the given number. Here suppose 121 is there. Here I am going to write 1, here 2, here 1, 121. Here another number is, suppose 222. I am going to write reverse order 222. These numbers is called as a palindromic number. Thank you.